FIACSന്റെ ഒബ്സർവേഷൻ പ്രൊസീജിയേഴ്സിനെ കുറിച്ച് പറയുകയാണ്. ഒബ്സർവർ ഹാസ് ടു സിറ്റ് ഇൻ ദ ക്ലാസ് റൂം. അതായത് FIACSന്റെ ഇൻട്രാക്ഷൻ അനലൈസിസ് നോക്കുന്ന ഒബ്സർവർ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ഇരിക്കണം. എന്നിട്ട് ഓരോ കാറ്റഗറിയും എവറി 3 സെക്കൻഡ്സിൽ ഓരോ കാറ്റഗറിയും നോട്ട് ഡൗൺ ചെയ്യണം. ഓൺലി കാറ്റഗറി നമ്പർ ഹാസ് ടു ബി നോട്ട് ഡൗൺ. പിന്നെ ഇതിനകത്ത് എൻകോഡിംഗ് ഉണ്ട്, ഡീകോഡിംഗ് ഉണ്ട്. ദ ഒബ്സർവർ കാറ്റഗറി നമ്പർ നോട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നതിനാണ് എൻകോഡിംഗ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ആൻഡ് ഈച്ച് നമ്പർ ഏത് കാറ്റഗറിനാണ് ഏത് ബിഹേവിയറിനാണ് റെപ്രസെൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിനാണ് ഡീകോഡിംഗ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ആൻഡ് ഒബ്സർവർ ഹാസ് ടു റിമെമ്പർ ഓൾ സീരിയൽ നമ്പേഴ്സ് which represent the category number. Next, we can look how to construct a interaction matrix. We have to construct an interaction matrix using 10 by 10 table. It would have 10 rows and 10 columns. This is known as matrix. The category number of the record sheet is tabulated in this matrix. Each number is entered in the form of sequence or pair. We can see first is 10, 6, 6, 10. This kind of pairs can be tabulated in the matrix table. The row of the matrix represent the first number and the columns the second number. The series begins and ends with the same number. And we can see different pairs that are 10, 6, 6, 10, 10, 7. Every pair is overlaps with the next and the total number of observation means and always tabulated as n-1 tallies in matrix. In this case, we started in a series of 16 numbers and the series produced 15 tallies in matrix. Next, we can study how to interpret this matrix. First, the proportion of teacher talk, pupil talk and silence or confusion. The proportion of tallies in column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 to the total tally indicate how much the teacher talk. For calculating for the example, we get teacher talk equal to 60 by 80 into 100. That is, we get the proportion of teacher talk is equal to 75. Similarly, using this example, we can calculate pupil talk and silence or confusion. Next, we can calculate the ratio between positive reinforcement and negative reinforcement. The sum of 1, 2 and 3 is divided by column 6 and 7 ratio is more than 1. Teacher is said to be good. Then we can find student participation ratio. Sum of the columns 8 and 9 is divided by the total sum gives the participation ratio of students. The figure shows steady state cell along the diagonal from the upper left to lower right. The content across cell means the cells formed by the number pair 4, 4 and 5, 5 are known as content cross cells. In this picture, the two areas that are most sensitive to the positive and negative aspect of social skill is the teacher-student relationship. Area A called constructive integration cells. Next, we can discuss the advantages of FIACS. It is an effective tool or instrument to measure the social emotional climate in the classroom. It is also used for in-service teachers. It provides feedback to the pupils, teachers. It is an objective and reliable method for observation of classroom teaching. It is mostly teacher talk oriented. It also has some limitations. It consumes much time in preparing 10 by 10 matrix without which interpretation is not possible. Less attention has been paid towards pupil talk. And next, the observer have to be trained in order to code correctly. Classroom interaction of pupil type is not considered here. And the system of coding and decoding procedure very difficult and expensive.